Hi, Worldofitech community members. Welcome back to your go-to channel for the latest technology, tips, tricks, and amazing deals you don't want to miss. The wait is finally over. Black Friday is here, and Hostinger is offering their biggest sale of the year, with up to 85% off on hosting plans. If you've been thinking about starting a website, upgrading your hosting, or getting a professional domain, now's the perfect time to act. Deals like this don't come often, so stick around to learn how you can take advantage of this amazing offer. Why good hosting matters. Let's face it, having a reliable and fast website is crucial in today's world. Whether you're building a blog, an online store, or a portfolio, slow speeds or unreliable hosting can drive visitors away and hurt your growth. But quality hosting doesn't have to break the bank, especially with this Black Friday deal from Hostinger. Why choose Hostinger? Here's why Hostinger is the smart choice. Lightning-fast loading speeds. Keep your audience engaged and happy. A free domain and SSL certificate. Gives your site the professional and secure edge it needs. One-click WordPress installation. Means no complicated setup. And plans start as low as just a few dollars during this sale. What makes this deal special? This isn't just another discount, it's up to 85% off, making it the best time to get premium hosting at an affordable price. You get top-tier service, 24/7 support from real experts, and tools that make building and managing your website super easy. Act now, limited time offer. But here's the catch. This deal is only available for a short time. Once Black Friday is over, so is this offer. Don't miss your chance to save big and get everything you need to bring your ideas to life. Call to action. So, what are you waiting for? Click our special link in the description to grab this incredible deal and support our channel. Start your website journey today with Hostinger's Black Friday sale. It's fast, easy, and affordable.